This is our next example, and that's now to integrate this inverse trig function. Well, it's not exactly in the form of the inverse trig function, but it's almost in the form of the following. You have 1 over square root 1 minus x squared and dx. This integration gives you arc sine x plus k, and so we need to get this question of us into the inverse trig functions form. Okay, now let's see how we can do that. First of all, this 81 must become 1, obviously, because there's a 1 there. So let's do that. So long we can take out the 81 there. Oops, 81. You're left with 1 minus, and now if you take out 81 from 25x squared, you can just write the 81 there, because obviously if you multiply the 81 back again, then it's 81 divided by 81 and it's still 25x squared, so you can keep it like that. Okay, now we can further simplify this 81. You can take you can just split the square root into 2, so you have square root 81 times square root 1 minus, and we can also put this as one term in a bracket with a square by doing the following. So you say 5x over 9 squared. Okay, we can actually take away that bracket there, otherwise it can confuse us. Then yeah, because check here, the 9 was a 81, but that's now, if you take the square in, it's 9 squared and 5 squared and x squared, then you will get to that one there. So this is just a simplification, and now our manipulation. So then what this is now in the arc sine x form. Okay, so if we integrate this now, you are left with 1 over square root a to 1, because the integration won't do anything to this one. You just write it there. But then this is 1 over square root 1 minus 5x over 9 squared. So that will just become arc sine, and you'll have in the x's place, you'll have the 5x over 9, and then again you don't multiply with this one's derivative, the 5x over 9's derivative, but you will you won't multiply with it, but you'll divide by it. So you'll divide by 5 over 9, because 5x over 9's derivative is just 5 over 9, and then you'll this is a divide, and you can change it to, it is a divide and it tips and times, so it will become, well, this one, this square root a1 will become 9, and then you have arc sine 5x over 9. Tips and times means it's 9 over 5. That can cancel out, and then you have arc sine 5x over 9 divided by 5. And before I forget again, as soon as you have integrated, you must put k if it's an indefinite integral, so it's plus k and plus k there and a plus k there.